Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the auto sync function on the map marker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section go to the settings option. Scroll down, and in the cloud sync section you can find the last option, the auto sync, and just click to the next square icon, and now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.